बुरे गए होंगे कोई
Very disheartening news today. I'm for the entire country. One Air India flight, London bound, England bound flight has met an accident, and then I am here today at Nganthoi Sharma's house. I met the family, and then from Manipur itself, one Nganthoi Sharma and one Singson. Young ladies who were cabin crew members of the Indian Airlines. I'm here at Nganthoi's family. I was consolidating the family. The mother, the father is, having a episode of breakdown. Only 22, 23 years old girl, and the entire community is very disheartening. It's around my around my house. So I think we have talked to the government officials here in Manipur. They haven't got the confirmation yet either she passed away with the accident or not. But we are awaiting, and then we are hoping the family and the entire relatives, the entire well-wishers are hoping that she comes out fine. And then we have asked the airlines as well. They have not given confirmation yet, but let's see, let's hope for the best. And then those who have passed away, those who are confirmed at the moment, from my side also, from our people's side also, we are people who have passed away. I think we are very sorry for that, and then may their soul rest in peace. Thank you.